Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some news in the world of beauty and fashion that I think you could use. So we're going to start off with the most controversial one because when I read this I was floored. I was so upset. But in reading further, I'm like, oh, okay, good. But here it is. So, store closures for retail brands is nothing new, right? We've all experienced our favorite stores closing. As a matter of fact, I can't tell you where there is a Walmart that is still available in my area because all of them have closed that are close to me. So I totally understand and sympathize with those who are commiserating over the loss of their stores. But now they messing with me, y'all. They're messing with me, babes. TJ Maxx and Marshalls will be following in the footsteps of Costco, Target, Walmart, and the other stores by closing. Here's what you need to know. BrownGirlBella. As you know, U.S. customers are increasingly relying on the near ubiquity of convenience stores and big box retailers. We depend on them because they're open practically every day, all day, even during some of the biggest holidays. After all, Black Friday beckons retail stores to open just hours before so that huge crowds can go and shop their holiday sales. Now retailers are adapting again. After a volatile start to the third decade, many retailers are finding that shoppers are shopping online rather than in store for their retail purchases, and that means more time for employees. So Walmart recently said that it would close Thanksgiving to give employees more time to spend with their loved ones. And now for Easter, more stores are closing. So Costco, Aldi, and Target are now all saying that they will close their doors for 24 hours on Easter, Sunday, March 31st. And also now stores that operate under the TJ company, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, will also now shut down during the holiday. So here's a list of all the stores that are closing for Easter this year in 2024. Target, Costco, Aldi, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, Publix, Macy's, Best Buy, Apple, and Ace Hardware. These stores are expected to remain open, and they are Walmart, IKEA, Petco, and Home Depot. Though most of the stores will be closing on Sunday, they will reopen for regular business hours on Monday. Pop-up in Paris, YSL will be announcing their Love Shine pop-up shop. They will have it free for visitors from 3:30 to 7 p.m. on March 26th and March 27th. For those who can't be in person, they'll be able to try on their lips virtually. Thanks to a new lip shine lens YSL Beauty is offering. This looks so pretty. I know that they did do one recently in New York City and I was not able to go, but I was told it was fabulous. They will be having virtual try-ons so that you can try on the lipsticks and snap a picture to post on your social media. They will also have a huge mirror that will allow you to take multiple shots. I love that idea. And again, you can post all of these on your social media. Love Shine is a hybrid of their candy glaze. I'm actually wearing one today, the candy glaze. And so this is expected to have a huge turnout, with Dua Lipa as the YSL newest global ambassador and the new face of the Love Shine collection. I know she'll probably have a role in the pop-up immersion as well. Is Selena Gomez selling her popular brand Rare Beauty? So sources are saying that Selena Gomez is weighing the sale of her cosmetics brand, currently valued at $2 billion. That's billion with a B. Rare Beauty has hired financial advisors to consider and assess the options, and no matter what, she will remain as part of the company and be involved whatever the outcome is. So currently, Selena Gomez's financial advisors are weighing in the options. The sale could make Selena Gomez the next celebrity billionaire, and the cosmetics line has been celebrated for its success and could fetch that $1 million valuation, which would ensure that Selena Gomez is our next billionaire. So I know that last year's sales had not been announced, but the previous year had fetched the brand over $70 million. So that was what they reported in 2022. No news yet on what was reported for 2023, but they did say in 2022 that in 2023 they were looking to triple sales. So if that happened, that definitely would call for her to reach that billionaire status. So more on this as it develops, but wanted to keep you alert on what is happening. Some, like Hailey Bieber's Road, have gained a following among devoted fans, but others, like Addison Rae's Item Beauty, have quietly fizzled out. And more, like Brad Pitt's Le Domaine, have barely made a splash in the first place. Even though very few have become significant players, and even few have reached valuations high enough to catapult them to the top of the industry, their celebrity creators have not reached billionaire status. But still, there are some notable successful billionaires, such as Rihanna, whose $1.4 billion fortune is largely made up of her stake in Fenty Beauty, which she co-owns with LVMH. Kim Kardashian is worth an estimated $1.7 billion, partly due to her skin stake as well as her 20% in the company then named KKW Beauty to Coty in 2020. And that was evaluated at $200 million from that sale. Selena may be poised to join their ranks and become the next celebrity billionaire, with Bloomberg reporting that the company is seeking valuation at $2 billion. So Rare Beauty is one of the few celebrity brands that have earned continuous praise since its launch in 2020. Many have said that it transcends the quote-unquote celebrity brand moniker and has become a well-respected cosmetic company. Its success has been touted by its continual earnings calls from companies like Kohl's, where it's sold in their Sephora departments. And while Selena Gomez is instrumental in the company's decisions, its C-suite is full of industry professionals like CEO Friedman, COO Mindy, who is the Chief Product Officer Joyce Kim. They all came from NYX or NYX Cosmetics, an independent beauty company that sold to L'Oreal for $500 million in 2024. The brand has since won massive popularity among influencers and social media users. Rare Beauty has the highest earned media value, a metric that quantifies the estimated monetary value of its social engagement. of all U.S. companies, celebrity or not, according to social media marketing firm Creator IQ. It's among the most followed celebrity beauty brands on both Instagram and TikTok, with 7.1 million followers and 3.6 million followers respectively. Their reputation makes it potentially desirable for legacy giants like Coty, L'Oreal, or Estee Lauder, which have significantly lowered EMVs according to Creator IQ's data. It would be a huge catch for those bigger companies, and they would pay top dollar to get those types of returns that Rare Beauty is estimated to get. Rare Beauty's online popularity gives an indication of its value on the street today. Makeup brands are driven by social media. If it goes on social media and sells, that is dollars in the bank. Another plus for the company is that it has room to grow. Rare Beauty is only available online and on Sephora, limiting the countries where it can be purchased. Whoever does end up buying it has a tremendous opportunity. It could have the brand expanding into Ulta and regional partners. There's a lot of the world that's left open where Sephora is not located. Even the most long-lasting brands like Elizabeth Taylor's White Diamond have moved into the background as a newer, more relevant ones emerge. In today's market, seemingly every actor, singer, and influencer is launching a product. That's even more chances of things being pushed aside for the newer entries that are coming into the market. The challenge for potential investors will be to understand how to continue to scale as the landscape gets more and more crowded. So buyers, if you're ready, come and get it. So Ulta Beauty is facing a decline in sales as forecasted. Right now, Ulta Beauty is down $29.46 to $535.98. The cosmetic retailer gave investors disappointing earnings forecast for the year and has been down. And finally, in Memoriam, we celebrate the life of beauty YouTuber Jessica Petaway, who passed away of cervical cancer after a misdiagnosis at the age of 36 years old. She had amassed over 16 million views on YouTube before her passing away, and she only revealed that she was diagnosed with cervical cancer back in July and at stage 3. So in honor of her, I recreated this look that she put up in one of her last posts on YouTube, and we honor and remember Jessica. Her death comes nearly 9 months after she revealed that she had been misdiagnosed and had stage 3 cervical cancer in a candid Instagram post. Her sister announced the news last Friday that she had passed away. So, Jessica, we honor you. All right, babes, that is all the news for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're new and you like what I do, hit that subscribe button, and then don't forget to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I post, upload, or go live. Until I see you again, babes, you have now been bellified. Girl Bella.